Hello dear students. This is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok. Welcome back to English class. In the previous session, we had discussed pre-reading task of the prose The Touch. In this session, we are going to understand first part. Before we continue, let's understand the story shortly. In this story, the writer imagines herself as a Hindu woman. She tells us about a visit that she made to her father one day. He receives her affectionately, but his affection only brings back to her past unpleasant memories. Because when she was young, her father was very strict with her. He had never showed his love towards her. As a child, she had longed for his loving words and loving touch, but she had never received them. Now, grown old and blind, her father longs for her loving words and loving touch. She treats him kindly. Also, she feels sorry for him. Now please open your textbook, students. I am going to read paragraphs 1 and 2. Please follow as I read. When I arrived, I found father lying on the string cot facing the wall. I had left my slippers outside the threshold, so my footsteps did not give away my presence. I went right up to the cot and asked, "Are you asleep?" "Who is it?" he asked as he turned on his side. "It's I replied. "Come, sit here," he said, continuing to lie stretched out. When he heard me pulling the steel chair and preparing to sit down, he asked, "Why do you want to sit so far away? Come and sit close to me." He sat up to make space for me, showing the place on the cot next to him. I sat on the edge of the cot. Groping, father patted me on my back, and then he felt the place next to him on the cot and said, "Sit comfortably, Amma." I shifted a little, making myself comfortable. He groped in the air in front of him, gripped my hand, held it in both of his hands and said, "I have been looking forward to your visit. Is everyone all right?" "Yes," I said softly. He didn't say anything else and silently stroked my hand. Now please look at meanings of new words. Threshold. A strip of wood or stone forming the bottom of a doorway and crossed in entering a house or room. You can see the picture of threshold on the screen. Grope, feel or search blindly. Comfortable, at ease. Pat, touch quickly and gently with the flat of the hand, or tap. Stroke, move one's hand with gentle pressure over, typically repeatedly. Moving on to the explanation. Here, I refers to the writer. She is a married woman and now she visited her father. She had left her sandals outside the threshold and went inside. She found her father lying on the string cot facing the wall. She went right up to the cot and asked her father whether he was asleep. As he had a poor eyesight, he was not able to recognize his daughter. But when he came to know that his daughter had come there, he felt very happy. He asked his daughter to come and sit very close to him. Groping in the air, he made some place next to him on the cot and asked her to sit comfortably. When she sat close to her father, he gripped her hand, held it in both of his hands and started to stroke it. The daughter felt uncomfortable because this is the first time in her life she felt her father's loving touch. As a child, when she had longed for her father's loving words and touch, she had never received them. But now, grown old and blind, the father longed for his daughter's loving words and touch. Dear students, in this session we have completed First part of the prose, the touch. Now please answer these questions. Your first question is, what is the meaning of the word grope? Yes, grope means feel or search blindly. Your second question is, how does the father address his daughter? Yes, the father addresses his daughter as Amma. Dear students, I will continue the second part in the next session. Now, I am going to end up this session. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a good day.